Hey everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics. Today we have a beautiful Ford Victoria. This is a 1956. Beautiful blue and white. Just absolutely great condition. Beautiful, beautiful interior. Clean on the outside and clean on the inside. We've got the spare here on the back. You don't see it very often, but I think it looks really, really good on this car. Unfortunately, this is not a crown. We don't have the tiara, but everything is just spectacular on this car. She is wanting to be driven. Let's take a look on the inside. Show you the doors. Show you got the dash here. Very clean. The interior is in beautiful condition. Everything functions, works. Even the top here is in great condition. All right, well, let me get out. I'll go ahead and pop the hood so we can hear it run. So as you saw underneath the hood, running strong. Does not have power steering, but that's okay. So now let's take a look back here in the trunk. We've got this little latch right here to lift this up and over. Comes off just like that, and it does lock into place. I'm gonna go ahead and flip this open. 1 second, let me get that. All right. Trunk pops right open there. All right, well, let's take her for a spin real quick, see how she goes down the road. All right, let's take the Victoria for a spin down the street, see how she rides.
Hey Mark.
How's it going?
Boy, I gotta tell you, man, 1956, just love the color of this thing. We have all the gauges in the dash works, speedometer works, gas gauge works. On a low idle, you might see the generator light just flash on, but sometimes it doesn't, sometimes it doesn't. Kind of a characteristic of the car. Frame off restoration probably 20 years ago, owned by a man who was in his late 80s, and just got rid of a couple cars, Mark, because he just can't maintain them anymore. So we did all the carburation in the car, brake lines. Car was sitting for a while. I gotta tell you, we dusted it off, washed it up, waxed it up, and look at this thing, man. It's just
beautiful.
It's just kind of a, like a piece of art out of time. So we'll get her up there. As you can see, she shifts into the gear really nice. Speedometer doing 50 miles an hour. Look at that steering wheel. Perfectly straight, no wobble. Got her up to 60 miles an hour. So just a real nice feel. Just back in time, man. It's just like stepping back in time. So I guess we'll spin it around, get her on the lip so they can take a look at it and enjoy a piece of time, 1956.
Thanks for taking us down the street.
You're welcome, man.
All right, we got the Victoria here up on the lift. Let's take a look under here. You can see how clean and strong. Just a very, very nice car. No rust. Everything's protected. Let's check out the back. Back tire suspension. Let's get a little better view with here because the sun is a little tough to see. Just a cruiser, an absolute beautiful car. We'd love to see you off the lot with this. Give us a call, shoot us a message. We can get you in a test drive, or we can always do a live FaceTime so you can see the car fully. And yeah, let us know what you think. Thank you.